Amen. So karon mga igsoon, muhatag mi og appreciation certificate ngadto sa ato ang guest speaker karong kabuntagon. May request Apostle Jibber Peryoga to be in front. And before he receive the certificate, mga igsoon, ako sa basahan ng citation. Republic of the Philippines, City of Davao, Barangay Malamba, Marilog District, Ecclesia of Jesus Christ the King. Present this certificate of appreciation for being the guest speaker of EJCK Malamba Embassy during the first Thanksgiving celebration with the theme 2 Samuel 22:2, and he said, "The Lord is my rock and my fortress and my deliverer." Given this 28th day of December 2024 at 9:08, Titugo Proper, Barangay Malamba, Marilog District, Davao City. Signed by Head Pastor Rodolfo Ipandian and Associate Pastor Rico Opandian. Certificate of appreciation is given to Apostle Jimbert B. Baryoga. Please come and thanks, please. Pastor, may request. Picture, please. Amen, mga igsoon. Atong palakpakan mga igsoon. Sa kalagan, naging maabot sa mga ginilapita mga